For a fourth straight day, the coronavirus claimed more than 1,000 lives in this country. Infections are also still surging. At the same time, millions face new economic uncertainty. Michael George has the latest.
The nightmare scenario underway now as Americans are in the grip of coronavirus, with no fewer than 30 states reporting surging deaths. Infections out of control in 3 of the biggest states. In Florida, cases now surpassing New York State, with more than 414,000 infected that we know of. At least 50 hospitals there now say they're out of ICU beds. Texas and California facing similar crises. It's so bad, observers now comparing them to 3 New Yorks, a state hit hard early on. To fight back, more than 150 scientists signed a letter calling for a new nationwide shutdown.
Let's put the brakes on a little bit. Let's get this right.
After pressure from President Trump, the CDC weakened its advice, calling to resume in-person school. And now this, a potential crisis in housing. Tens of millions of Americans struggling to pay their rent could now face eviction.
I'm going to be 60 next month. Where do we go?
Single mom Lisa Pradia and her daughter Ayani are being evicted from their Texas home.
What happens to these families that's got babies?
A federal ban that temporarily stopped landlords from evicting people expired overnight. Zach Newman of the COVID-19 Eviction Defense Project says without help, people will be out on the streets.
We have to keep people housed. And if we don't, we're going to be paying the cost for years to come.
Despite city budget cuts and the coronavirus, this pool in Brooklyn is one of 8 across New York City's 5 boroughs that just opened. Swimmers are being told to distance and wear masks unless they're in the water. Jamie?
Michael George, thank you.